Welcome. If your inbox is overflowing and you need to quickly find those crucial emails with slides attachments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to locate important emails with slides files right from your Gmail app on any Android or iPhone device. This updated method is fast, simple, and will save you loads of time. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to search. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner for the three-line menu icon. That's your ticket to the side panel. Go ahead and tap the menu icon. You'll see a list of labels and options pop up. Scroll through and tap on Important. This folder filters your inbox down to emails that Gmail has prioritized based on your usage and what it thinks matters most. If you're looking for that game-changing presentation file or a critical team update, this is where you'll find it. Now, glance towards the top of your screen, just below the search bar. You'll see a horizontal set of filter options. Tap the attachment filter. This is a game changer. It instantly filters out all emails that don't have attached files, so you're only seeing emails with something extra included. But let's get even more specific. Once the attachment filter is active, select the option for slides. Now Gmail will refine your search to only display important emails that contain attached slides presentations, whether they're Google Slides or PowerPoint files. You can now scroll through this streamlined list, knowing every single email shown is marked important, and each one has a slides attachment. No more endless searching or guessing which email has the file you need. That's all it takes. With these easy steps, you can quickly find those essential emails with slides attachments, keeping your work organized and on track. Give it a try and enjoy your newly decluttered, super efficient inbox. Thanks for watching.